Okay guys, special request. Most of you guys are requesting sparring combination or bagging combination. So this is like a 5-count combo. Remember, stay away from the bag. Then you slide in, do your combo. Okay, so from here, keep your stick up straight. So your opponent is not gonna know if the strike is gonna come forehand or backhand. It's easier to defend also if you get your stick straight up. Alright, so it's a 5-strike combo first. Make sure you hit with the first 2-3 inches of the stick, not the whole stick, because you get more power if you hit with the tip of the stick. So first strike, it's gonna be 1, then 2, and then 3, rib, backhand 4, forehand 5. It's a 5-count combo. So you go 1, face, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always make sure you follow through. 2, 3, 4. This hand always up to check, defend. Okay? One more time. Once more. And then from there you can add your jab. The jab for us is this one. Curving strike. Curving strike. Then you have your power shot. Power shot. Power shot. Alright. Back to the combo. 2, 3. Make sure when you strike, use the whole body, not just the forearm, so you get more power. Again. Keep your strikes close to each other. Follow through. And don't forget to exhale every strike. Hope you like that lesson, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and share. See you.